Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Friend English podcast.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Ellie.
And I'm Danny.
It's great to have you here with us today.
We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Maybe you're at home.
Maybe you're walking outside.
Maybe you're on a bus.
Or maybe you're relaxing with a cup of coffee.
Wherever you are, thank you for listening.
We really appreciate it.
So, Danny, how are you today? That doesn't sound promising.
No, I'm fine.
Just fine?
Well, I'm awake.
That's a good start.
I think so too.
Did you have your coffee?
Of course.
Then everything is okay.
Exactly.
I had tea this morning.
Tea?
Yes.
Are you feeling okay?
Very funny.
I was worried for a second.
Thank you for your concern.
You're welcome.
Today, we're talking about something everyone can relate to.
That's right.
Today's topic is daily life.
Daily life in English.
Real conversations about the things we do every day.
The small things.
The normal things.
The things that make up our lives.
Exactly.
Sometimes people think daily life is boring.
But I disagree.
Me too.
Every person has different habits,
Different routines.
different schedules.
Different stories.
And talking about daily life is one of the most useful English skills.
Definitely.
Before we begin, we have a small favor to ask.
If you're enjoying the podcast, please give this episode a like.
And subscribe to Friend English podcast.
It helps us continue creating lessons for English learners around the world.
And if you know someone learning English,
Share this episode with them.
thank you so much.
Okay, Ellie,
Yes, Danny?
let's talk about daily life.
Let's do it.
Let's start at the beginning of the day.
The morning.
Ah, yes.
The alarm clock.
My old enemy. Every morning, it surprises me.
Really?
Every single morning.
Even though it rings at the same time?
Yes,
That's impressive.
thank you.
What time do you wake up?
Usually around 7 o'clock.
That's not bad.
No,
Are you a morning person?
absolutely not.
Not at all.
Not even a little. What about you?
I actually like mornings.
Really?
Yes.
I don't understand people like you.
Why?
You're happy in the morning.
That's true.
You need time.
How much time?
At least 1 cup of coffee.
Only one?
Maybe 2.
That's more honest. What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I sit on the edge of my bed.
Thinking about life?
No.
Thinking about work?
No.
Then what?
Thinking about coffee. Coffee is very important.
I can see that.
What about you?
The first thing I do is open the curtains.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
I like sunlight.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
Then what?
I make tea.
Tea again.
Yes.
You're very consistent.
Thank you.
How do you take your tea?
With a little milk.
Nice.
What about your coffee?
Strong.
Very strong.
Very strong.
Sugar?
No.
Milk?
No.
Just coffee?
Just coffee.
Wow.
It wakes me up.
I believe you. Let's talk about breakfast.
Ah, yes.
The most important meal of the day.
That's what people say.
What do you eat?
Usually toast.
Just toast?
Sometimes a banana.
Danny,
What?
that's not much breakfast.
It's enough.
I disagree. I enjoy breakfast.
I can tell.
I like fruit, yogurt, eggs, toast.
That's a restaurant menu. Do you spend a long time eating breakfast?
Not really.
Because I imagine you sitting there for an hour,
No.
looking out the window,
No.
drinking tea.
Maybe a little.
I knew it.
After breakfast, it's time to get ready.
Shower time.
Exactly.
Hot shower or cold shower?
Hot.
Good answer.
What about you?
Hot.
Definitely.
A cold shower in the morning sounds terrible.
I agree.
Then comes the difficult part.
Choosing clothes?
Exactly.
That's always interesting.
I stand in front of my closet,
Looking at everything,
and somehow I feel like I have nothing to wear.
even though the closet is full.
Exactly. Do you have the same problem?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Well, I usually decide quickly.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
I need more practice.
Then it's time to leave the house.
Yes,
The journey begins.
the daily adventure.
How do you usually get around?
Well, that's where my day starts getting interesting.
Well, that's where my day starts getting interesting.
That's right.
Tell us.
I usually take the bus.
The bus.
Yes.
Do you enjoy it? That doesn't sound like a yes.
Sometimes I enjoy it.
Only sometimes?
Well, it depends.
On what?
How many people are on the bus?
Ah,
Some mornings it's quiet.
that's nice.
I can sit by the window.
Perfect.
I listen to music.
Relaxing.
Very relaxing.
And other mornings?
Other mornings the bus is full.
Very full?
Very, very full.
Oh no.
Sometimes I feel like a sardine. Everyone is standing.
That's not fun.
Not at all.
What do you usually do during the ride?
I listen to podcasts.
Good choice.
Sometimes music.
Nice.
Sometimes I just look out the window.
I like doing that too.
It's relaxing.
What about you?
How do you get to work?
I drive.
Ah, you drive.
Yes.
Is that better?
Sometimes.
That doesn't sound very confident. Why only sometimes?
Traffic.
Ah, yes.
Traffic is not my friend.
Nobody likes traffic.
It's amazing.
What is?
Thousands of people wake up every morning and decide to drive at exactly the same time. Every day.
It's true.
Sometimes I sit in traffic and wonder why.
Deep thoughts.
Very deep thoughts.
What do you do while driving?
I listen to music.
Loud music?
Sometimes.
Singing too?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Definitely. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging.
Good.
What kind of music?
Pop music, mostly.
Nice.
It makes traffic less boring.
That's true.
Then I finally arrive at work.
Me too.
And the workday begins.
Let's talk about work.
Okay.
Is your workday busy?
Usually, yes.
Mine too.
What's the first thing you do?
Coffee.
More coffee?
More coffee.
You already had coffee.
I know.
Danny,
What?
that's a lot of coffee. Then what?
I turn on my computer,
Okay.
and then I check my emails.
Ah, yes, the emails.
There are always emails.
Always. You answer one email.
3 more appear.
Exactly.
It's like magic.
Bad magic. My mornings are similar.
Really?
Computer,
Emails,
meetings,
more emails.
more meetings.
That's adult life. Do you like meetings?
Some meetings.
Only some?
Some are useful.
That's true.
Some are very long.
Also true.
Sometimes I look at the clock.
Hoping time moves faster?
Exactly. Around lunchtime, I start feeling hungry.
Me too.
Lunch is one of my favorite parts of the day.
Same here.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Usually not.
Really?
I'm not that organized.
What do you do then?
I buy lunch.
Where?
There's a small cafe near my office.
Nice.
They make great sandwiches.
Sounds good. What about you? I usually bring lunch.
Very organized.
Thank you.
What do you bring?
Maybe a sandwich.
Nice.
Sometimes a salad.
Healthy.
Sometimes leftovers from dinner.
Smart.
Lunch also gives me a chance to take a break.
That's important.
Very important.
We all need breaks.
Definitely.
Do you walk during lunch?
Sometimes.
I do too.
Fresh air helps,
It really does.
especially after sitting for a long time.
Exactly.
Then comes the afternoon,
Ah, yes.
the sleepy hours.
Around 3 o'clock?
Every day.
Every single day.
Suddenly, I feel tired.
Me too.
My brain starts moving slowly.
Very slowly.
How do you survive?
Good question.
What's your secret?
A small snack.
Nice.
Maybe an apple.
Healthy.
Or a cookie.
More realistic. Sometimes I drink tea.
Good idea.
It helps me stay focused.
Then, finally,
The best moment.
5 o'clock arrives.
Work is finished.
Everyone becomes happier immediately.
Immediately.
It's amazing.
People walk faster.
They smile more.
They suddenly have energy again. It's true.
Very true.
Then we begin the journey home.
The second adventure of the day.
Exactly.
And when I finally get home, there's one thing I always do first.
Really?
Every single day.
What is it?
The moment I walk through the door, I have a little routine that always makes me feel like the workday is finally over.
The moment I walk through the door, I have a little routine that always makes me feel like the workday is finally over.
Exactly.
Now I'm curious.
The first thing I do is put down my bag.
Okay,
Then I take off my shoes.
that's a great feeling.
The best feeling. Suddenly, I feel free.
I know exactly what you mean.
What about you?
I do something similar.
Really?
Yes.
What do you do?
I put my keys on the table.
Good start?
Then I change into comfortable clothes.
Ah, yes.
That's very important.
Extremely important.
Comfortable clothes mean the workday is finished.
Exactly.
Then I usually make a cup of tea.
More tea.
Always tea. What do you do after work?
Sometimes I relax for a few minutes.
Just sit quietly?
Yes.
That sounds nice.
After a busy day, I enjoy a little peace and quiet.
Me too.
Then I usually start thinking about dinner.
Ah, yes.
One of the most important questions of the day.
What should I eat?
Exactly.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Well,
That sounds suspicious. Tell the truth.
I try to cook.
That's better.
Some days it goes well.
And other days?
Other days the food has different plans. Last week I almost burned dinner.
Almost?
Let's say mostly.
Danny,
What?
cooking is not supposed to be dangerous.
I know.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta,
Easy.
eggs,
Also easy.
sandwiches.
Very easy.
That's why I make them. What about you?
I enjoy cooking.
Really?
Yes,
You enjoy it?
very much.
We're very different people.
Apparently.
What do you like making?
Pasta, soup, rice dishes.
Sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music while cooking?
Sometimes.
I like that idea.
It makes cooking more fun.
Everything is more fun with music.
That's true.
After dinner, I usually relax.
What does relaxing look like for you?
Good question.
Thank you.
I might watch a movie
Nice.
or watch a few videos online.
Okay,
Sometimes I read.
that's good.
Sometimes.
Not every day.
Not every day.
Honest answer. I usually read in the evening.
What kind of books?
Stories, mostly.
Fiction?
Yes.
Nice.
Reading helps me relax.
I understand that.
Some evenings, I also go for a walk.
That's a healthy habit.
I think so.
Is it nice walking in the evening?
Very nice.
Why?
It's quieter.
Less traffic.
Exactly.
Less noise.
More fresh air.
That sounds lovely.
It really is.
Speaking of evenings, I think everyone has a different evening routine.
Definitely.
Some people exercise.
Some people read.
Some people watch television.
Some people spend time with family.
Exactly.
That's what makes daily life interesting.
Everyone's routine is a little different.
Very true.
Then, eventually,
Bedtime arrives.
sometimes too quickly. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30.
That's early.
Is it?
For me it is.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11:30.
That's not too late.
Sometimes later.
Danny,
What?
no wonder you love coffee. What do you do before sleeping?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I get ready for bed.
Good.
Then I usually look at my phone.
Ah,
I know.
that's a dangerous habit.
Very dangerous.
5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Exactly.
What about reading?
Sometimes I read a few pages.
That's nice.
Then I turn off the lights.
And sleep?
Usually,
Usually.
unless I start thinking about something.
Like what?
Random things.
Such as...
Why do socks disappear? Where do they go?
Nobody knows.
It's a mystery.
A great mystery.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's talk about one thing.
What's that?
Why is talking about daily life useful in English?
That's a great question.
Thank you.
Because daily life is something we talk about all the time.
That's true.
Friends ask about your day.
Coworkers ask about your weekend?
New people ask about your routine.
Exactly.
These are real conversations.
Everyday conversations.
And the vocabulary is very useful.
Wake up,
Breakfast,
work,
lunch,
dinner.
sleep.
These are words English learners use constantly.
Definitely.
Well, Danny, it sounds like we've talked about an entire day.
We really have.
From waking up
To going to bed.
and everything in between.
It was fun.
It really was.
And now we have a question for our listeners.
We do.
Do you wake up early like Ellie?
Or do you need lots of coffee like Danny?
Let us know.
We'd love to hear about your daily routine.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this real English conversation.
And we hope it helps you feel more confident speaking English.
Don't forget to subscribe to Friend English Podcast.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Take care.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.